Guys, so I just got the new AirPods Max from Apple, the new over-ear headphones that they have. And I've been using them for music production now for around 5 to 6 hours. And they are going to replace my other headphones that I've been using, the Beyerdynamic DT770. And this is why. First of all, it got some very nice audio quality there. It doesn't sound flat at all, so they aren't flat, but they have some high-end and some low-end put up. So they are pretty much standard hi-fi sounding headphones, but with awesome audio quality. I think that they are very good to produce music in, and you can also reference your mixes between headphones, different headphones, and speakers, monitors, and so on. So what I really like with these headphones is, as I said, audio quality, but also a very important thing, at least for me, and this is that the headphones should be comfortable, you know. I got them on for around 2 hours, something like that, and I didn't feel anything. It was almost like I didn't have any headphones on me, and they are pretty heavy. They're not like lightweight headphones at all, but still I find it very nice and comfortable over my head. And I got a bigger head, so my headphones usually feel kind of uncomfortable after a few hours, or sometimes even half an hour or an hour. And I also wear glasses sometimes, so I wear my glasses, and still it was so comfortable in my head for some reason. It's really amazing. So as you can see here on the upper side of the headphones, you got a net thing going on here, and I don't know what's going on here, but it does make it somehow very comfortable for the upper side of the head. And then you have the ears here, so it's not very tight on your head as a lot of headphones are. If I wear this on my head and just clamp it on my ears, and it's not tight at all. And this is what makes the AirPods Max my main studio headphones for now. So you can see here, I'm using this for music production, and I'm not using them on the Bluetooth interface. That makes a short delay, so if I'm playing something live, that's pretty much unusable for me, because I can, like, if I play something on the keyboard, I would hear that half a second later in my headphones, and that's not really what you want when you're playing live. So what I do here is that I use the Lightning to 3.5 millimeters plug or cable that Apple sells. And this is very important. You have to use Apple's cable here to make this work. You can't really use any third-party cables for now. That's what Apple says right now. So if you want to have this headphones on you for hours and hours, you need to charge it. You need to unplug the headphones, charge it, come back, and then wear it again. So you can also purchase an adapter from Belkin, which is an adapter that makes it go from a Lightning to 2 Lightning out. And there you can put one Lightning for charging, and the second Lightning cable would be this Lightning to 3.5 millimeters cable. And that works, but you would have a dongle that comes from the headphones, and it feels a bit weird. And I don't really recommend it if you don't want to use the headphones for many hours and you can't charge it for a bit. So you should still take breaks when you're producing or doing audio stuff with the headphones. Your ears want to get some break. I don't think it's really necessary to have that adapter so you can charge it and listen to it with 3.5 millimeters at all. So as you can see, I have it connected to my Universal Audio Arrow audio interface, and it works very good. I mean, it's just like regular headphones, but you have this comfort and you have that awesome audio quality as well. And these headphones, they scream quality. It's metal outside here, and it feels very soft with the ear pads that you have inside of the headphones. And of course, you can also use these headphones with Bluetooth, so you can pair it with your Mac and use it with Logic, for instance. And that works. so you don't have to have a sound interface like I do, but you will have that delay, and for music production that's not really what you want to have. So I don't really recommend you to use Bluetooth. That's why I don't use any AirPods for production at all. But with these AirPods Max, the overhead one, I will use it for music production. Okay guys, so see you in the next video.